Speed vs comprehension, and how to increase both. Many readers are afraid of increasing the number of words they read per minute because they fear their comprehension of the text will suffer, but this simply is not true. I used to have this misconception. I used to have pride in my slower paced reading, believing that meant I paid more attention to detail and had a better comprehension of the text than others. After all, I thought it makes logical sense that the slower you go, the more information you remember. But to double your reading speed and improve your comprehension, you have to let go of this myth. The truth is that speed reading has been proven to develop your comprehension. The more time you spend reading at an increased pace, the more your mind will adapt to comprehending the material you're reading. Of course, there is an upper limit to this rule. You cannot immediately try reading at 1000 words per minute and expect your mind to keep up. However, when you double your reading speed, you're making improvements to your mind's capacity for learning. So what is comprehension? In the context of reading, it's simply the level of understanding of a text. If you have basic or surface level comprehension, you can recall factual information from the text using your short-term memory. If you have deep level comprehension, you are able to think beyond the text and integrate your own point of view, background experience with the text. You are more of an active than a passive reader. Amazingly, once you begin to increase your reading speed, which will also mean you're reading more, your mind will automatically begin to train in increasing the depth of comprehension as well. After only a few short weeks of practice, your mind's comprehension muscle will be exercised and much more capable than before. An active, engaged, and well-exercised mind is better prepared to capture vast majority of information than a mind that is used to slower reading paces. Make sure you take advantage of your new active mind. Trust that it will grow, learn, and adapt to your goal of doubling your reading pace. If you don't trust that your mind will keep up with your eyes, you'll never allow your eyes to move faster. Fortunately, there are lots of reading techniques that will double both the speed of your eyes and the depth of your mind. Ready to get started? Before we dive into the techniques, we need to first briefly look at subvocalization, or rather, how reading itself works.